In this video, I'm going to show you how to add non-Steam games to Steam. So this is actually a nice and easy tutorial. All you simply need to do is open up the Steam application, click on Library from the top navigation, and then in the bottom left-hand side, select Add a Game. Now we just need to click on Add a non-Steam game. Now sometimes you might be able to find your game in this list of applications. You can also use the search box to type in the game that you're trying to add. Now if you can't see your game in this list, then what you'll need to do is click on the Browse button, and then from here you'll need to locate the executable file. Now if you're not sure about the directory of where the game file was saved, then a nice and easy way to find this is just by right clicking on your game, click on Open File Location, and then this address bar at the top is basically where this game is saved to. So you can use this information up here to go and locate your game in the Steam library. Now for this tutorial, my game is already in this list, so I'm going to add the Roblox player like this, and then select Add Selected Programs. Now just like that, we have the Roblox player in our library, and we can right click on our game and just select Play to start playing it. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.